Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious toffee coffee. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need your favorite coffee beans, some delightful toffee bits, and a touch of sweetener like brown sugar or maple syrup. Ensure your coffee brewing equipment is clean and ready to go, whether it's a drip machine, a French press, or an espresso maker. We're aiming for a rich, flavorful base. Next, let's brew the perfect coffee base. For a robust flavor that stands up to the toffee, use about 2 tablespoons of freshly ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Heat your water to approximately 200 degrees Fahrenheit for the best extraction. Whether you're using a drip brewer or a French press, let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes to achieve a strong, aromatic foundation for our toffee creation. Now for the star of the show, the toffee infusion. In a small saucepan, combine about 2 tablespoons of crushed toffee bits with 1 tablespoon of water or a splash of cream. Heat this mixture gently over low heat, stirring continuously until the toffee melts into a smooth, luscious syrup. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. A tiny pinch of sea salt can really elevate the toffee's rich, buttery notes. Finally, it's time to bring it all together and enjoy your homemade toffee coffee. Carefully pour the warm, melted toffee syrup directly into your freshly brewed coffee. Stir the mixture well for about 15 seconds to ensure the rich toffee flavor is perfectly blended throughout. For an extra special treat, top your drink with a dollop of whipped cream and a sprinkle of additional toffee bits. Enjoy your delicious, custom-crafted beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.